ABC Kids.
Baby animals and their parents. Cub. Bear. A baby bear is called cub. Kitten. Cat. A baby cat is called kitten. Chick. Chicken. A baby chicken is called chick. Fawn. Deer. A baby deer is called fawn. Puppy. Dog. A baby dog is called puppy. Duckling. Duck. Gosling. Goose. A baby goose is called gosling. Foal. Horse. A baby horse is called foal. Joey. Kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called Joey. Piglet. Pig. A baby pig is called piglet. Lamb. Sheep. A baby sheep is called lamb. Platypup. Platypus. A baby platypus is called platypup. Cygnet. Swan. A baby swan is called cygnet. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.